In this video, we will discuss about what is keyboard in computer. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device. We enter data into the computer using a keyboard. The layout of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys provided for performing additional functions. A keyboard has a different set of keys for letters, numbers, functions, and characters. A keyboard is connected to a computer system through a USB cable, for a wired keyboard, or through Bluetooth, for a wireless keyboard. Most of the keyboards are in two sizes, 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys, but nowadays many brands are making keyboards with 104 or 108 keys for Windows. Laptops come with an inbuilt keyboard which makes the laptop smaller and lighter. Whereas most modern devices such as smartphones, tablets, etc. come with on-screen virtual keyboards that help to input data into a computer. Before keyboards were discovered, paper taps and paper cards were used to give instructions to computers. Advantages of keyboard: users can type the letters and numbers using the keyboard. Some special commands can be done using the keyboard. Only with the keyboard, we can print data. Keyboard are primary input devices that enable us to create word processing or data entry documents. Keyboards are the most used computer peripheral device. Keyboards help us to use shortcut keys for faster processing of operations. The keyboards can be easily connected to a computer system with the help of USB, wireless, Bluetooth, etc. They are available in different shapes and sizes. They are efficient and durable.